Welcome back. So in last video we learned how to search, how to learn, and what and all medias are, how we can get the information to learn about any one topic, and we keep on learning and till we convinced and we start implementing that. So today we will take one topic and we will learn and search the information related to the topic. And today I am taking the topic as a gardening. Since we are is in a lockdown time and from last 1.5 year we are facing most of the people working from home and see, when we are working from home, we have some limitations and we can't go outside. And normally, people are used to be with nature. If you are in a corporate company working, there also garden will be there in companies, and you will have the garden inside and outside. Some of the plants are showcased inside. So we always with nature, and when we are in home and lockdown and working from home, obviously most of the peoples are looking to start their own garden and start growing some plants indoor or outdoor in a balcony, and some of them are want to grow vegetables also, because since growing a indoor and balcony plants or decorative plants is one aspect, but another aspect is growing the vegetables. See, growing vegetables is not that much easy than growing a like indoor and ornamental plants. So when, if anybody thinks like I want to start growing plants and I want to start gardening and I want to start a vegetable garden, first thing, okay, every we will have some knowledge because all of them are came from small town or villages, or connectivity will be there related to nature. So nowadays everybody will have specialized in their own field. So we have some knowledge, but we can't get the complete knowledge. So we have to seek the knowledge and we have to learn how to properly grow, and what are all requirements are there to start garden, and how to start, what type of plants are there, what type of containers required, and with what kind of salts is required. Like there's so many things we need to learn. One thing we can ask, like who are already growing their plants, or in our home, if we anybody have the knowledge about the plants, we can get the knowledge from them, and we can ask like neighbors or who started their garden, and we can go to any horticulture department and we can get the knowledge how to start the garden. Or GKVK is there in Bangalore, and Lal Bagh is there in Bangalore. So like there so many things are there, and like all also, and we are nowadays, as I told in the last video, we are lot of pretty much about technology. So most of the things, since lockdown is there and some other thing, we can't able to go to that place and we can get the knowledge. But always we are handy with technology. So we can get the information using technology like mobile and laptop or desktop, using internet. So in internet, lots of content is available and lot of information is available, and we can search and get the information and start the gardening. So let's start today and know about how to start garden, what type of gardens are there, and a little bit about of knowledge, and how we can search the knowledge, how we will get the information using technology. Okay, let's start. Let's start searching what is available in Google, Facebook, and other social media about gardening, and what we can learn from the results is coming, and how to contact further and get more information, what type of products are available. So all those things we will learn today, and we will search. Let's start searching. So terrace garden and balcony garden Bangalore. Okay, so these are all the results came. One is My Dream Garden, this is our company, and other company details are coming, and address, phone number, everything is there. Since the lockdown is going on, now it's closed, opens in 6 a.m. And people also ask what plants can be grown on terrace. So general information from Google, like what are the vegetables you can grow and flowers you can grow annually, perennial, and other details. How much does it cost for a terrace garden? So if you plan to start a terrace garden at one go, it will cost about Rs 20,000, which will be the investment on seeds, saplings, containers, and the soil bed. The setup cost will reduce if you begin small and stepwise. Invest a little every month and use recycled containers. So like that, why vegetable can you grow in your balcony? What vegetables can you grow in your balcony? You can grow the long radish in deep pots as they grow downwards. The ideal soil mixture for their garden, for their growth, is red soil. Like this, a lot of information is available. What vegetables can be grown in Bangalore? So like that, so many things are coming. And here also once again we can see our website. My Dream Garden, number one in urban farming, terrace gardening. My Dream Garden, the particular package, and Better India, and like that other lot of websites are coming. And here we can see the ads also going on. Terrace gardening, want to start a terrace garden, and other details, and phone number is there. Uh, so like that we will get the information, and first comers normally they will go through, people also ask this kind of details, they will go through since they don't know anything about terrace garden or plants. So we have to one by one we will go through. And when we click on, like, since as we discussed in the last video, the first page is more authenticated, and it is more people are searched, and valuable results are given. And one, these are like organically searched, and this is the ad actually is running. So we will click on the, normally click on the first page, and most first links we will click. What will come? Okay, website is opening. In the website, if you go, banners are there and other details are there. We'll give the caption and what under terrace garden, balcony garden, and the garden packages, green garden stands. And here is the essential garden requirement. So what are the basic things is required to start a garden? And this is the potting mix. This is the main thing which is required to start gardening. Vermicompost and other details. Plant meal, potting mix in a small quantity, and like that essential IPS gardening nutrients. So what under nutrients is required, all those details are there, and how Bangalore is changed from so many years. And My Dream Garden journey, essential IPS gardening, pest and disease management, premium grow bag. So what are all grow bags is available to start a garden, and here we can see the images also, like how it's grown in a grow bag. See, and other containers, general containers, what can be used, and premium garden stands. So here we can see what type of garden stands is available, and what is the purpose of the use, all those things we can see. And balcony garden packages. So here, since we in a lockdown time, all the, like especially IT guys works from home, they required good space since they work for whole day. So if they have their own balcony, they can convert that balcony into very like a nature friendly balcony, and they can work from their home. See, so like this magic planter box, this is another type of container. Vegetable garden packages, like and we seen like to start a garden minimum 20,000 rupees is the initial requirement to set up in one time. So like that, a lot of packages are done. So here we can start the garden from 13,390 also. 30,000 rupees garden is available to 1,50,000. So like that, so many details are there in the website. So we can, to know more, we can go inside and we can learn. If it is a blog, if you go to blog, here a lot of articles are written. So you can start like I am more myself in a garden than anywhere else on earth, says Kishore Rao sir. Okay, so like this, lot of articles is there. You can it will give more information about gardening and the garden activities, how it has to be done. Okay, this is our own website. So here we give a lot of information about gardening and garden products, nutrients, and IPSD garden, garden stands, garden packages, garden design blogs. So like that, so many information will be available. Let's check if any other sites also, other information. So you will get a lot more information. We also get our website, and a lot of ads are going on. And here Vishwanath sir, father of terrace garden, and we can check videos, terrace and vegetable garden Bangalore. So here also a lot of videos are there. You can check those things. And this is our own website and customer feedback. Let's check. It's going to our landing page, garden package landing page. Here we can here customer feedback will be there.
ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಗುಣಶೀಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗುಣಶೀಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಂದು 45 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಇವಾಗ. Green Gardens 3 months ago, and as you can see, we have harvested at least about 10 kilos of tomatoes, and there's plenty of tomatoes still available. And we also have, they give us complimentary Chendu Hova, which is grown up very nicely. I use it every day for puja. And then Alsande is also, we have harvested a lot of Alsande, probably more than 10 to 15 kilos. The most important thing is we harvest only as much as we need on a day-to-day basis. There is no point in harvesting and keeping it in the fridge. So what we do is we harvest very little quantities. We are about six of us in the house. So we just take as much as we need, maybe half a kilo or maximum 1 kilo at each time. And you can see that we are also, we have a lot of Mulangi here.
So like this customer feedback is already given, like how they experience and how they started the garden. So let's check other video here.
Everyone. I am Sudhakar. I am with my wife Narmada, my daughter Raksha, and my son Rudra. Okay, so we got to know about this My Dream Garden in the month of January. You know, when we visited My Dream Garden office near Banaswadi, initially we thought like, you know, okay, this is a new thing which we may want to try, but we were not that much confident. But you know, during my 15th year wedding anniversary, we thought like, you know, we have to start something new. So that is when we started. So we got into the terrace gardening almost like in the month of February, and then from that time we are enjoying each and every moment of our gardening. Especially when we heard about this during I think via website or a Facebook page, I believe, when we got to know about My Dream Garden. Initially when we looked into the packages and everything, we were a little bit unclear about like what package that we should choose or how to go about it. But My Dream Garden team visited our place, and then they looked they took a site visit, and then they suggested some couple of packages for us. In that we first chose the veggie package, and then from there now we have got more than 15 planter boxes here in our terrace garden, and we are really enjoying it. During the
Like that, and what and all these packages will offer. So how it works, we can check like a transportation seats happens, and what and all plants we will get, and what are the process, how we'll get the support and requirement, like empty terrace is converted to lush green terrace, and the plant care operation, what and all operations, and the nutrient management, pest and disease care, plant care doctor, and how the yields are coming. So when we go through all these things, obviously we will get confidence. Okay, it can be grown, and a lot of people are grown, and we will get the support from the company, and we can think to start the garden. So like this details we will get, and teaching how to start another organic garden from Mysore.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
So as we grew up, obviously in cities we don't have too much of space where we can play around with plants and gardening. But whatever space we had, we started enjoying growing plants. And those days, plants, we started off with
So like this, lot of information we will get in Google. Let's see.
My name is Dr. B.M. Vishwanath. I was an entomologist. So this concept started in 1995 because I was coming from flight from Delhi, and I saw all the vacant terraces, and I correlated that with the temperature rising in Bangalore. So I thought, why can't we cool the terraces? So when it came, and then I said, okay, while cooling the terraces, why can't we grow food which is not poisonous? With this idea, I started this in 1995, and 20 years down the line, I see a lot of people coming, and all over the world spreading. And I'm happy that we are conducting workshops to make aware the people about the poisonous food and non-poisonous food, and how to grow them easily, how best you can cool your terraces, and also contribute to the environment where more oxygen is produced. And Bangalore, as all of you know, that a lot of trees are being removed. Even though vegetable growing cannot compensate, at least to some extent, oxygen level can be increased in Bangalore by growing all your terraces. If you green, I think the temperature definitely will come down by 1 or 2 degrees, and also the oxygen production will improve. And by doing
Okay, like this, we are getting the lot of information about terrace gardening through videos, through web page, and lot of organization working on this. And let's check. So once again our website and our team. Here is our mentors, Dr. Vishwanath sir, Rajendra Engde sir, and Anamika ma'am, and the team. About videos and and we check images, and even in images also, in the news also we can check lockdown, many people unhappy with vehicle ban, stop and grow roses, build a couple, build eco-friendly home on 70,000, like that. Lot of news also we will get about gardening and the shopping. So here we will get the like what and all materials available to start a terrace garden. Here we can see the like products and available. Here our products is available, MyDream Garden packages and other products also. In today's context, to start a terrace garden, there is a lot of information is available in Google as a videos, and you can directly go to YouTube also, youtube.com. So many videos. Now let's check with Facebook. So I open my profile and let's check here. Gardening tips and ideas. Connect with groups, balcony gardening, garden tips and tricks, organic terrace garden. Want to join a gardening community? So like this, lot of marketplace gardening. So you can have the organic terrace garden, school of gardening, garden market, grow veggies. And we have our own MyDream Garden. See, MyDream Garden workshop page is there. Urban farming workshop. Lot of workshops we used to conduct physical workshop, but now we are doing the online digital workshops. And is on our another page. This is our official page, and here you can see we used to put daily posts are coming up. You will get a lot of information. Just subscribe to, like our page, and you will get the information what and all products available. like that. Garden in Bangalore. See, some online communities are there. Our My Dream Garden page, tremendous.in, Make My Garden. Like that, lot of groups are there. You can subscribe and you can get the information. So let's check in. See here, so many garden related posts. Check my turn around. So we have almost 3,500 posts are done, 58.2k followers are there, and you will get the post, everyday post, what and all activities is done, and here you get the information like how easy terrace garden is, and how you can start the gardening from scratch, and you can able to grow the plants, and you can able to grow the vegetables and normal plants also. So like this, lot of information is available in Google and other social media. So no need to worry to start about garden, and you can directly contact to the respective people, and you can get the information, and you can start the garden. Okay. Thank you very much. So this is how you can get the information through technology about any topic, and today's topic we choose the gardening, and in the gardening you can do balcony garden, terrace garden, indoor gardening, like indoor plants are there, and you can do the garden in balcony, and you can do the vegetable garden in terrace. So there is especially for vegetable gardening, a lot of aspects are there. It's a complete process and everything is defined. You go to our website and check the details, and you can contact our executives or our research team, and Mr. Sarwan will be heading the research team. You can contact them, and so a lot of things you can learn. You can learn from website, you can learn from social media, or directly you can contact us and you will get the information. Thank you very much.